Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be taking you through my acne skin journey. Now I have been using few products from CureSkin. It's been a month. CureSkin एक ऐप है जहाँ पे आपको स्किन केयर हेयर केयर रिलेटेड कोई भी इश्यूज हो तो you can go to Play Store and install that app. Then you have to go through the photo analysis. It will take you about 10 seconds or so. It's very easy. और फोटो एनालिसिस के बाद आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या स्किन इश्यूज या हेयर इश्यूज है, और उसके बाद आपको एक कस्टमाइज्ड स्किन केयर किट मिलेगा विच विल बी स्पेशलाइज्ड फॉर यू ओनली, विच विल बी रिकमेंडेड बाय स्किन एक्सपर्ट्स. Now in today's video I'm not gonna talk much about the app or the products that I got from that particular app because I have already done a detailed video on that particular app and the products I got. I will link it right here. If you are interested you can go and check it out. Now if you guys are interested in knowing what are my thoughts on this particular app, then please keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And now let's get started. Now their products do come in this particular cardboard box, and when you open this you will get your kit. और वहाँ पे मुझे मिला ये face wash, then there is a sunscreen, and also these two are the treatment products that I got. And if you are interested in knowing about the products, I will link my video right here. You can go and check it out. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the products are worth it or not, or the app itself is worth it or not. Now I don't know what skin problem you have, so you have to go to a dermat to know what exactly problems you are having. And for that I will highly recommend the CureSkin app because वहाँ पे आपको जो भी products मिल रहा है these are recommended by dermats. And as you are going through the skin analysis you will know what exactly problem you have, and then you will get the products according to that. Now if you ask me, my experience was really good with this particular app. Now you guys know that I try a lot of skincare products on myself which a normal human doesn't do, okay? क्योंकि this is my job and I try a lot of skincare products on myself. I just try it on myself, I see if it's working on me or not, and then I recommend it to my subscribers. And it happens with me a lot if a particular product is not suiting me, as I have sensitive skin. My skin gets extremely irritated and more sensitive than it normally is. At that point I stop using everything, but this is my job and I need to try a lot of skincare products, so my skin goes through a lot. It happened with me last December as well. I tried few products and they didn't work for me and it broke me out like crazy, okay? I was really frustrated, and since December I am getting acne issues, and I will try to include few pictures right here so that you guys can see. Since December I was struggling a lot with acne. Before that my skin was doing good. Now getting one or two acne here and there is quite normal for me, but when they get severe I get really frustrated, you guys, because it's my job to try a lot of skincare products on myself. I try a lot of makeup on myself and my skin just goes through like hell. Now I thought of trying this particular app because A, their products were recommended by dermats, and B, they are not providing any oral medicines, which was so important for me. And last time when I went to my dermat it took me about 6 months to deal with my acne issues, and after December I was getting so much acne. You can just go to my previous videos and see how my skin was at that point, and you guys can see I don't have anything on my skin right now. I have a little bit of moisturizer and lipstick and nothing else, and you guys can see how good my skin is behaving right now. It's just because of the products I have been using from past 1 month, and I am really impressed, you guys. And even if you see my July videos you will see I had a lot of acne scars right here. Now I had acne scars, I had pigmentation, I had very small little bumps all over my skin, I had a lot of texture on my skin, and also I was breaking out. I had a lot of redness on my skin. and my skin was going through hell, to be very honest. So I thought of trying these products out. मुझे लगा कि अगर काम कर जाए तो क्या ही बात है. Now to be very honest, in the very first week I haven't seen any changes on my skin. My skin was still red. I had a lot of texture on my skin. I was breaking out. My skin was irritated. I had itchy skin. So I thought, shit, I messed it up. But after using these products for 7 to 8 days straight, I have seen the first change on my skin, that my skin is not looking dull anymore. And after that I stopped getting those small little bumps on my skin. My skin started getting glowy and my skin was not that textured anymore. I still had those acne scars because this is not a magic, and when it comes to scars, my scars are really deep and dark. You know, it took me around 3 to 4 months to deal with my scars, and you guys can see within a month this is massive change, you guys. I am really impressed. Now after using these products for 14 to 15 days straight, I thought of making my first video. Till then I haven't decided I will do a video on these products or not, but when I saw visible changes on my skin, I thought of making my first video. Now I have got my hands on these products on 12th of July and today is 18th of August. So it's been more than a month I am using these products, and you guys can visibly see the changes on my skin, and I am impressed, you guys. Now as I said, in 1 month the change was massive. So this is the reason why I used these products for 1 month straight, and in between I haven't used any other skincare product. Okay, I was just using these products just to see how it works on me, and even if it works on me or not. But after that I came to know that these are working on me, so I wanted to see some visible changes on my skin, and trust me, you guys, my skin started behaving so well. You can see my past couple of tutorials. My skin is looking so good, nice and dewy. Now if you ask me the products are worth it or not, I would say they are definitely worth it, because this is the face wash and you are getting 100 ml of product and it retails for 430 rupees. This is under 500 rupees and this is a face wash. This has glycolic acid in it and it worked so well on my skin. So I think under 500 rupees this is a great face wash, and this is almost over. I would definitely repurchase it once it gets over, because this face wash is so good. It makes my skin so nice and clean. I love it. Now coming to this sunscreen. This sunscreen is so good, and the texture of it, it's so creamy, and you just have to use a very small amount. You don't have to use a lot, and a little bit goes a really long way. It doesn't give you a white cast or anything, and even after using this sunscreen I don't even have to use a moisturizer, and you are getting a lot. You are getting 50 grams of product and it retails for 630 rupees, and also I got some discount on the app while placing the order. So I think the sunscreen is totally worth your money. Now these two are the treatment products that I got, and oh my god, they are so good. If you get acne, this just dries down your acne within 2 days, I would say. Coming to the acne duo, this is so good. It just dries down your acne within 1 or 2 days, and it has benzoyl peroxide and clindamycin phosphate, which is really good for your acne issues. This worked really well on me. And now coming to this particular product, oh my god, this is a hero product for me, the face wash and this one. Oh my god, they are so good. It worked so well on my acne scars. Now you guys know that I get a lot of acne on my skin, right? And I get a lot of acne scars. They are so dark and deep, and they have kind of that blue undertone, and it takes me around 3 to 4 months to deal with my acne scars, and this worked so well on me. Now this has 6% of glycolic acid, and oh my god, this is such a good product. I would definitely repurchase it once it gets over. Now guys, honestly speaking, this face wash and glycolic 6, these two are my hero products from this particular kit. Okay, hear me out, you guys. No matter what product you are using, these are specially medicated products, okay? These are not magic. So if you apply it, it's not gonna work in 1 or 2 days. You will have to give it some time, and I'm sure these are gonna work on you. Now have a little bit of patience, use the products as you are recommended and use them religiously. Do not use a lot of products at once. If you are using a particular kit, just stick to that and use that. I'm sure it's gonna work on you. Now if you ask me the products are worth it or not, I would say yes, they are definitely worth it. They are worth your every single penny. I'm glad I tried this app and my skin feels so good. Oh my god, because I have been using these products, it's been more than a month and I have seen so much changes into my skin. I loved it. I love the way my skin behaves right now. My skin is behaving so good, you guys, trust me. I'm so happy that I tried it, and I would definitely repurchase their face wash and the Glycolic 6 because these products are really good, because of course they are recommended by dermats, and what else you need. And another thing I wanted to share with you guys, that please don't miss your monthly follow-up sessions with your dermats. So they will give you a set of products that you are supposed to use for a month or two, and in between you will have to attend those monthly follow-up sessions. Now I forgot to attend the first session because I was down with fever. I wasn't feeling well, so I forgot to attend that. So they called me up and asked me, hey ma'am, are you using these products? What happened to your skin? Please upload a picture of yourself so that our doctors can decide you can use these products or you need to use any other products. So I was like, wow dude, they are calling me just to see how these products are working on me, and it never happened with me before. And also they have asked me to upload few pictures on the app as I missed my session, so that doctor can analyze my skin and recommend me products, or just let me know that I need to use these products or not, or to see if there is any improvement on my skin or not. So I was really impressed. I was like, wow dude, they are so good. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful or informative. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and all of the product links and details will be mentioned in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out, and also I will leave my coupon code in the description box so that whenever you get something from the app, you will get some extra discount on your customized kit. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.